Welcome back to Peak Before You Sleep, and here we are staying at the Grand Floridian Resort in Walt Disney World in Florida. A really quick look at the outside and some of the space within the resort because it was so stunning before we look in the bedroom. We were in a water view room. It was really worth paying the extra for the view, but we'll get back to that. For now, we've got the inside with the Mary Poppins artwork and the sofa, as well as these two really comfortable beds. We've got a great night's sleep and a bedside table in between with two drawers for extra storage, and underneath the beds is open so you can hide your suitcase away so that it's not taking up any extra space. On the other side of the beds there's a small shelf for extra storage and plug sockets, and I had to quickly look at this chandelier for you. Thought it was really cute with those glass birds across the top. Now we go into the bathroom. This really was an impressive space, as you would really expect from a hotel like the Grand Floridian. It was very spacious. A quick hello from me in the mirror above the two sinks, which we always love. It made it feel like a really spacious room with loads of space for all our toiletries. There were plenty of towels that were left for us and the usual Disney products, so your liquid hand soap and hand lotion, as well as a bar of soap as well. And as we turn around, you've got another spot that could be shut away behind a door because it contains the toilet, the bathtub and a shower above there. Very comfortable here. I managed to have a lovely bath and relax after a long day in the park, which was great. The toiletries are the same you'd see in the other Disney hotels. So you've got your body wash, your shampoo and your conditioner all there for you, but was very happy with this. As we come onto the storage, the room definitely didn't disappoint here. We've already said there was a great amount of space to put things like a suitcase out the way. Interestingly, on the side of this chest of drawers, you've got additional charging points, which is always helpful. It sits below the TV, which is wall mounted, and these 4 drawers were nice and roomy, so plenty of space to keep our stuff out of the way and the room feeling really tidy. Next to the beds, you've got the 3-part wardrobe. On the right hand side you will find your hairdryer, which you might have noticed by now, I'm always focused on whether there is or is not a funnel. Hooray, there is a funnel at the Grand Floridian. There's also then your safe and an iron in there. The double-doored wardrobe to the side then has plenty of hangers, a rack for your suitcase and an extra blanket should you ever feel like it's getting cold. You may have just noticed there's also a full-length mirror there. Just round the corner from the wardrobe is the coffee machine. It came with loads of pods and takeaway cups, so we felt like we had plenty of supplies for our night at the Grand Floridian, which was great. And then it is just below this where you will find your mini fridge. And now it's kind of time for the main event. It's the view out of the room. And as I said, we paid for the water view and it was excellent. We had the ground floor so we could walk straight out onto this balcony area, led out onto the grass, and then over there on the other side you've got the monorail track running across the water, another wave and balcony furniture. So we had a couple of seats and we really enjoyed waking up and having a coffee out on this spot to start our day. The Grand Floridian really was excellent. We loved the fact that we could stay there. It felt like a real treat. And so I hope that by watching this, it's also been helpful for you. So thanks for watching Peak Before You Sleep, and make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any other videos from our channel.